Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clean sample now. Hold your phone close to the speaker, or use a wired line in to avoid echo and interference. Record 10 to 30 seconds that include a vocal or distinctive hook because recognition algorithms rely on tonal fingerprints. Once done, export as WAV or high bitrate MP3 at 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz. This preserves frequencies the services need. Make sure to label the file with date and location so you don't lose track. Next, run the sample through multiple recognition channels to increase odds of a match. Open Shazam or SoundHound for live listening and also upload the saved file to web fingerprinting sites. Different services index different databases. If you hear words, type short lyric snippets into a search engine with quotes. This narrows results fast. Once you have candidate titles, compare artists and timestamps, and listen to previews. Matching waveform patterns or unique instrumental hooks confirms the correct track. Finally, verify any candidate by listening to an official preview or full track, and check metadata like artist and release year to be sure. If nothing matches, don't stop. Clean the clip with a simple editor. Remove background hiss, boost mid-frequencies where vocals sit, and trim to the most distinct 10 to 15 seconds because shorter, clearer samples often perform better. If that still fails, post the clip to a community forum or subreddit. Human ears solve edge cases that algorithms miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.